Are you writing off your home office in your S corporation? There's a way to do it right and a way to do it wrong. Stay tuned in this video. I'm covering the details and keep watching. Just forgive me a little bit because I was sick when I originally recorded the video, but all the information is solid and in there and ready for you to help you write off your home office.
Hi, I'm Julie Merrill. I'm a CPA, and I thrive on helping individuals and business owners build their wealth while saving taxes along the way. Today, we're talking about the home office. Now, if you have ever had a home office deduction on a tax return with a business that was not an S corporation, so possibly you were an LLC or a sole proprietorship, you and your tax preparer likely waited till you filed the tax return, included the home office deduction with that filing at the way past the end of the year to get that write-off. So with S corporations, we can't do it the same way. We're still allowed the deduction, but only if we follow the IRS rules and are compliant with their version called the accountable plan. What is an accountable plan? Accountable plan is what the IRS calls basically an allowed expense reimbursement policy. In the tax code today, you can't write off expenses as an employee that were not provided by your business. Like those deductions went away. So as an S-Corp owner, though, we can do it as an employee reimbursement policy through this vehicle called the accountable plan. Now, the IRS has rules and compliance requirements on how to basically document your expenses and have timely submission and reimbursement. So there's rules along those lines that we have to follow to reimburse you. Where we used to, or with an LLC or a sole proprietor, you could have reimbursed yourself way past the tax year. The IRS requires you with an accountable plan to reimburse yourself with, or your employees. You could be reimbursing other employees as well within 120 days. So minimum of once a quarter, we're working with our clients to make sure they're tracking their monthly expenses for their home office and knowing what those are, prorating it for just the area that's business exclusive use, and then they're reimbursing themselves through payroll. And it's a great way, again, we're able to get the business deduction for the business, and then it passes through as a reimbursement. So as an employee side, it's not taxable to you as an employee. So if you think about the same way, like if you worked at a big company and you use your personal credit card for like a business trip and you submit an expense report and then they pay you back through payroll, but that's not included in like your wages. Same concept goes with the S-Corps and the accountable plan. What's cool is that this is also, you can be used for mileage. So if you have a personal vehicle that you're using for your business mileage, you can track those miles and then reimburse yourself also through the accountable plan. Another kind of cool thing about it is many times when we're implementing benefits in our S corporation, we have to be really careful that we're in compliance if it's a discriminatory or non-discriminatory policy. For instance, if we have retirement benefits or health insurance benefits, if we provide those benefits, it has to be the same across the board for everyone who's eligible. So it can't be like, I'm the CEO or I'm the officer, I get a special treatment and then the rest of my employees don't. Accountable plans are discriminatory. So you can just reimburse certain things for your officers or your owners. And if you have other employees, you don't have to apply the same treatment across the board for them. So it gives you a lot more flexibility as the business owner, but the timeline has to be timely, has to be submitted in 60 days and reimbursed in 120 days. So typically we're tracking these every month. Maybe every 2 months we're doing a catch up, and at least once a quarter we're running it through payroll to reimburse it. So a little bit different logistically on how we get the tax deduction, but we actually get the money more frequently and we're getting the deduction on the business. And again, less taxes is what all of us want. If you are doing your home office write-off and using the accountable plan, that's fantastic. If you would like some help like implementing this policy, getting the templates, training, that is something we do have both a blog on. I have got like an online course on it and actually have packages that I help our clients with as well. We're here to help. We want to make sure you get this tax write-out. Reach out if you have any questions, or you can comment below for more information, and we'll make sure we can help you if we can get you this write-off for your home office. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, ring the bell, follow my channel. I'm Julie Merrill, and I'm a CPA. I do these videos for you so you can grow your wealth and save taxes. I'll see you next time.